There was a bonny lassie, and she was gone to Crieff. She met in a butcher laddie, and he was selling beef. But he catched her in his arms, and doon toward it fall. And the wind blew the bonny lassie's plaidie awa'. Oh, my plaidie's awa' and awa' with the wind. My plaidie's awa' and it canny be fun. Oh, what will the all folk say ava? Oh, I canny say the wind blew my plaidie awa'.